Okay, good afternoon, Ma'am Martin. So, I will be the reporter for contemporary dance. So, let me introduce myself first. I am Gloria Marie Ayuniti from West Institute. Okay, contemporary dance is an expressive dance style that combines elements of several dance genres, including modern, jazz, lyrical, and classical ballet. So, contemporary dance is the combination of jazz, lyrical, and classical ballet, which originated from the late 90s. Next is Jane February. So, Jane February believes that modern dance is something older that comes from a certain time and speaks away from classical dance rather than preparing it. Jane February is a choreographer of contemporary dance, one of the choreographer of contemporary dance, which believes that a modern dance. So, a modern dance is is a technical dance that began to develop in the United States in the 19th century. So, now, Jane February believed that contemporary dance is also the combination of jazz, lyrical, and also classical ballet. So, naiyon siya nga and speaks of getting away from classical dance rather than and instead of ang classical dance ang ilang himuon, ang itawag niya sa ilang dance instead of freestyle or chitera, ang ilang itawag is ang contemporary dance, which is the combination of the three, ang lyrical dance o classical ballet. The next one is Jane February points out that contemporary is more of a term used for something that's current. So, Jane February is kanina na siya ang nagkuhan sa contemporary, which means current. So, but it has a more fluid aspect, so you mix a couple of things, ballet and modern. So, nag-start ang contemporary dance sa iyaha, which is combination of classical, ballet, lyrical, and also jazz. So, there are different styles for different generations too. So, kada generations is na sila in dance styles. Okay, the next one will be Ray Leeper. So, Ray Leeper is one of the choreographer na po sa contemporary dance. Say that contemporary is something that's new, so parang silang belief ni Jane February. It is more of style, but it is technically rooted in because it is a fusion of several techniques. So, ang kalahian din ang buha ni Jane February sa ilang mga theory is ang sakay Ray Leeper is rooted because it is a fusion of several techniques. Ang kay February is kung lang siya at nag-base siya sa iyang natanaw sa iyang kuan because she's one of the choreographer sa contemporary dance. So, dili ka si Ray Leeper hapon is nag-kuan niya sa contemporary dance nga combination of the three, which is ang ballet, jazz, or modern. The next one is Mia Michels. Admit that she is a little responsible for opting the term contemporary with storytelling dance. Si Mia Michels, one of the choreographer hapon siya sa contemporary dance. So, she believes that sa contemporary, little responsible for co-opting the term contemporary. So, si Mia Michels is na-determine niya ang contemporary kapag nagkuhan siya, nag-4 siya sa dance group na so you think you can dance. So, dahil sa gihapon, she goes on to say, when we first started the show, sa ikangin na, when we first sa nag-start pa ang show is choreographer lang siya. So, ang pag-train niya sa mga dancers, nakita niya na lain-lain yung styles ang iyahang mga dancers, which is napagin niya nga dili jud bagay kung isa ra ang term na ilang gamiton sa ita ka dance, which is munang karon is natawag na siya og contemporary dance. Nigel Let Go called it lyrical. I said it's not lyrical, it's contemporary. So, si Nigel Let Go or is nag-awag si Mia Michels is nag-away sila kung sa dyan itawag sa isa ka dance, which is lyrical dance pa siya or contemporary. So, si Mia Michels is nag-con siya, she believes that contemporary daw dapat ang itawag ano kay matong combination sa tulo. Kung sa jazz, classical ballet o kuan lyrical. The next one will be jazz dance. Entered into popular culture, it immediately fueled the creation of its dance style that not only followed its modern rhythms, sounds, and techniques. Just sa jazz dance, mga pangyapon mo sa kuan sense of individuality. So, ang kanit sa jazz dance is dili ka di na ka kinahanglan ng partner, which is free flow dancing and showcase of the skills of dancers. So, ang example of jazz is this one. Di ba makita na ninyo nga free flow lang siya. Then kada move niya is smooth lang. Pati ang rhythm ug ang ilahang ilang rhythm and music nga gigamit. Nasabay lang.
Had a dream I was seven, in my way in the trees. I saw some heaven waiting. And I was running far away, but I know well someday nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing through the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was pain.
Okay. So that was the jazz dance. Nga free flow lang sila. The next one is the lyrical dance. The technique can trace its roots back to Russia in the first half of 20th century. The Russian method focuses on back strength and the fluidity of the arms. Lyrical and contemporary also really test the abilities of the body to create many impactful emotions through sharp movements. So kanina sa lyrical dance is prepare na sila sa jazz dance, but ang jazz dance is smooth flow. Lyrical dance is technique can trace its roots back to Russia in the first half of 20th century. The Russian method focuses on back strength and the fluidity of the arms. Lyrical and contemporary also really test the abilities of bodies to create many impactful emotions through sharp movements. So, prepare sila sa ang lyrical o ang jazz dance is prepare sila, but ang ilang kalahian is din sa lyrical dance is mag-focus is on back strength and fluidity of the arms. While that ang sa jazz is kung lang free flow lang siya kung sa rhythm, di ba? Anak-anak sa nag-move, then ang lyrical dance, ang sample sa lyrical dance is this one. Para na siya tingin. Okay. Kanang sa back strength lang niya, back strength na nagkuhan sila. Kanang mo sa naghayang-hayang sa lyrical, sa jazz lang is kuhan lang sila, free flow lang siya. Okay, I think that's all my report. Thank you for listening.